Jimy Longs versus the world 5-0. Jimy Longs comes into this versus Kwikset 5-round affair. Shouldn't be too much trouble for old Jimy. Round one. Welcome back to SPP. Let's get as many raked open as we can. We are on a time crunch here. You got 3 minutes, Jimy. Start to finish. That's 2. Come back to you also. Your shining one look pretty there. Ready, Jimy? You had your Wheaties? You had your Gatorade? Bring it on home. Four. Can he make it 5? Can he get all over? Probably not in the allotted time, but we're gonna give it a shot. Well, your winner of 4 out of 5 rounds and still undefeated is Jimy Longs.